Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can enable the report site problems feature in the Opera browser. For example, if a specific website keeps crashing in the Opera browser on your device and you would like to report that issue, that problem, so that Opera may look to fix this. So this is how you can enable that feature, guys. In 2026, launch the Opera browser, and there will be two things needed to do this. Either way, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, click into these three lines in the top right, scroll down and select Go to Full Browser Settings. So here in your browser settings, there are two things you need to do, or two steps. Step number one, you navigate to Appearance in the top left. Here, scroll down to Top Bar and click into Manage Top Bar. From there, what you want to do is enable the feature, enable reporting problems with sites, here to the right, switch it on, so that these reports of problems may be sent to you whenever a website crashes here in Opera. And the other feature, guys, is, let me just return to the previous menu, is located in the Privacy and Security tab on the left-hand side, and here scroll down. And make sure that under Privacy and Security, this feature automatically send crash reports to Opera is enabled. It should be on default, but if that's not the case, enable it here. So that Opera, for example, may receive these crash reports whenever it crashes on a specific website, for instance, to look into this problem. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.